cards, but you're going to need to remove all of the face cards, and you will need at least 2 players. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to lay out all of the cards face up on the table or the play area. The goal is to look for 2 cards that add up to a certain total. So if I were to go first, I would tell Birthday Bear, I spy 2 cards that equal 11. And now Birthday Bear must look on the play area for 2 cards that are side by side that equal 11. So the cards can be side by side like this, or they can be horizontally or side by side vertically, but they cannot be side by side diagonally. Once he finds these 2 cards, he will grab them and say, I found 11. And then if he's correct, he gets to keep the cards, and now he has to tell me 2 cards to look for on the play area. So ways that you can modify this game to make it easier would be obviously taking out any higher value cards and just focusing on the lower value cards. Ways you can make it harder would be to add in your face cards, and they can all equal 10, or go one step further, jacks can be 11, queens can be 12, and kings can be worth 13. Another way to modify this game would be to ask the next player to find the difference between the 2 cards rather than the sum total. So for example, if I said Birthday Bear, I spy 2 cards that have a difference of 4. And then he would look across the play area and find 2 cards that when subtracted from each other would have a total of 4. So for example, he could choose 10 and 6, and 10 minus 6 is 4. If you have any intermediate students in your household, any grade 7s or 8s, you could use integers instead. So you could have the red cards be a negative total, and you could have the black cards be a positive total. And so then you could ask them to look for a total of -2, right? So if they pick -4 and +2, that total would be now -2. I hope you enjoyed this playing this game. Thank you very much for watching.